So, here I am rolling into the park in my good old Toyota Camry, the one that just doesn't seem to want to die. Blue skies, overhead mixed with pink and yellow streaks. It's one of those crisp, cool days. The kind that makes you feel alive. And maybe that's the thing about cool weather. It reminds you that you are alive, like it's tapping onto you, onto your shoulder, asking if you've done everything you've wanted to do. Philosophically, it's kind of like life itself. Well, sometimes it's harsh, but it keeps you moving forward. As I walk through these trees, there's a sense of becoming one with nature, like the path itself could lead us anywhere, to any possibility. You could feel the autumn colors, reds, oranges, yellows all around you. It's like Mother Nature painting her final masterpiece before winter sets in. And after the last 3 years, it's hard to turn your back on this beauty. Coming back to Long Island has rejuvenated that inner child, the one that still believes in endless possibilities. For some, these trails are therapy. For others, they're places to share love. And for all of us, they're living live paintings of display by the Creator. The fall foliage. It's not just leaves turning, it's transformation. A reminder that life is always changing. That nothing is permanent, and yet everything is connected.
Yes.
To walk, it wasn't just about exercise. It was a reset for the mind, for the body, and for the soul. A reminder that slowing down is necessary, and sometimes it's the simplest things that matters the most. Walking keeps the body moving. Sure, but it also keeps the mind alive. It preserves that youthful spirit inside all of us. And the one that refuses to age, no matter how much time passes by. And that's why I walk, to hold on to the feeling of endless possibilities. To remember that even the quiet moments, there's hope. Hope for what's next. Hope that something grand is always on the horizon. Just waiting for us to take the next step. So keep walking, keep believing, because there's always something incredible just around the corner. The journey never ends.